Hello and welcome to HWM Caterham in Walton-on-Thames. Today I'm going to be walking you around this lovely 310S. This example has covered just 815 miles and was first registered at the end of 2021, so it is on a 71 reg. But let's take a closer look and get an idea on the spec. As you would expect with the mileage on this car, there is no sign of any stone chipping around the front at all, and very, very minor on the rear arches just on the corner, but I'm talking you have to look really closely. But let's run through the specification on this car. So firstly, it's the crystalline white, so it is the lovely metallic white, which in the sun looks absolutely fantastic. It's also got the carbon triple stripes, which work well with the carbon wings and also the carbon stone guards at the back. With the carbon stone guards, they come with the black pack, which is the components. So you've got the headlight bowls there in black, the windscreen surrounds, as well as the aero filler, which complement the carbon stone guards. Okay, so coming down to the side of the 310, it's got the 14-inch alloy wheels in silver, which are completely unmarked. You can also see it's got the clear lens on the front cycle wings, clear lens pack, which does include the front as well, and it does look nice with the LED front lights. It really modernises the front of the car. Coming down the side, it's also got the black guard on the catalytic converter. That is also part of the components black pack, and again you can tell by the exhaust that this car is basically new, just with how clean and shiny it is. Okay, so coming round to the rear of the car, it's got the standard roll bar. Also inside your boot you have your weather gear, with the little frame that folds up for the full roof, and then you've got your black fuel filler cap there as well. Okay, so moving on to the interior, first things to mention, it's really important with any Series 3, is this does have the lowered floors. It just sits you about 45mm lower in the car than without, which does make a big difference, especially with the head clearance. It's got the standard leather seats in here with the Caterham wording just there. It does have the quick release suede steering wheel, which does make a big difference. One thing that this car does have, which you can't see, is the uprated brake master cylinder, but also the limited slip differential, which is quite an expensive option when you're adding it to an S-Series car. Okay, so if you would like any further details on this car, do please give us a call on 01932 240 611. You can also reserve this car on our website at hwm.co.uk.